Hey everyone, I'm back at Oakland Beach in Warwick checking on a clean water project. It was under construction when I was here last time at the end of the summer. Now in the spring, it's complete, looks fantastic. As you might remember, this was part of the Rhode Island Municipal Resilience Program. That's a partnership between the Nature Conservancy and the Rhode Island Infrastructure Bank. So MRP plus funding from many other sources came together to address a stormwater problem. There was untreated, polluted stormwater running down Oakland Beach Avenue, through the parking lot and straight into Greenwich Bay. That's been addressed with the construction of a new storm drain and retention pond. It rained pretty heavily here yesterday, and sure enough, there is water ponded where it's supposed to be. The parking lot is dry as a bone, so I feel like something's working here. And from that opportunity, from that clean water project opportunity, grew several other enhancements to this already beautiful park. There's a beautiful playground here. I wish I were 12 years old again. I'd have a great time here at this beachside playground. There are sitting areas. It's just a great place to hang out and enjoy Greenwich Bay, looking all the way down, most of the way down Narragansett Bay. What a spot. All started with an effort to address clean water, and all this great stuff happened as a result. So come down and check it out.